Hi guys. Today we will hear about the story of Jack. Jack is a marketing head in a media enterprise. Every day he has to deal with several meetings, need to submit lots of presentations and more. He has a personal computer in office for work purpose and it is a very vital gadget in his daily work life. Recently, he noticed that his computer is getting slow, sometimes it's not working properly. It reduces his working efficiency. Jack becomes depressed. He has no clue how to eliminate these issues. Consulting with his co-workers, he came across to know about iTech Xpress Incorporated. It is a reputed iPhone and computer repair service store in Covina. He researches about them on the internet, and make a schedule with their expert technicians. Once he visits their store, their certified technicians thoroughly check his device and find out the actual reason of malfunctioning. Jack becomes surprised to know that this checkup process is free of costs and provide a repair estimate. As the estimate is highly affordable, Jack become happy and approve the costs.